This is a room tour of room 322 at the Residence Inn, Cincinnati Airport in Erlanger, Kentucky. We are in the first building, I guess, room 322. This is a one-bedroom suite, and although the door may act weird, the room looks like a standard, a little bit older residence room, which is actually pretty great for an airport hotel. First impressions are it's clean. It's a little dated, yeah, but let's take a look. First thing we got here, that blanket, I guess it's folded. Ironing board, a little closet. This thing looks old. Anyway, fridge, full size fridge and a freezer with ice maker. Glass cooktop. Let's see, we have a night light. Okay, we have on and night, which it does work. Huh. No utensils. Nothing. There's a pot. Okay, there's just a dirty, it's kind of dirty. There's some dish soap and there's a sponge. Oh. Sink. I'm scared to look in here. It says clean. Let's take a look. Oh, everything's in here. Okay. Here's where the pots and pans are. Okay, so it does come with this amount of stuff, so no need to worry. These glasses do look a little dated, but it's fine. Single cup coffee maker. Microwave. Colander. Pyrex bowl. I'll probably end up cleaning that. That one glass is there. Toaster. That's nice. There's that. We have for some reason all the coffee stuff is over, and tea is over here. We got some tea. Coffee. There is a light switch here. I'll make sure everything works. Look at that. 3-place couch. It is a sofa bed. Oh, okay. Yeah, the heat's on 70. I guess that's that'll do. Haven't seen one of those since my old basement. The desk here, which is nice, faces outside. Not really any view, but we have 4 outlets. TV. And then here is the map. And we have a lamp here, which supposedly works. If I was an on switch, I have no idea where it would be. Okay. Just assume for right now it doesn't work, but I don't know. We have a queen bed, which is weird. This is the room. It's a normal size, to be honest. Okay. Lamps are controlled by the switches. We have some information from the hotel. You can tell it's an old phone. That's a very old TV. That's okay. This lamp works. That's a hair. Gonna get that off. That's bed. Well, I mean, it's looks like it's made. I'll go with that. It's fine. This is being nitpicky. It's surprisingly decently clean. I say surprisingly, because it is an airport hotel. This, actually, I really like this. That looks used. It's not used. They just probably forgot to hang it up. So the inner bits of everything, like that's a little dirty, but that's under the sink. In here, all right. Let's go ahead and open the closet. Hair dryer. Note saying there is self-service laundry in the hotel. About $2 each, $1.50 to dry. Okay. Shower amenities. This looks actually like it's in good condition. A little dirty over there. But that's it. Now, there's some garbage in there. Some new toilet paper garbage. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the tour. Let me know what you think. I'll give it a solid 2.5. Yeah, I'll give it a 3 out of 5. And the reason why it's not is because it's kind of a little dirty. But very little bit. I mean, it's very like just like kind of move it, take a little towel, and that's it. So anyway, this is the Residence Inn in Cincinnati Airport. And let me know what you think.